Okay, the first shape we're going to make is a circle or an oval, and you want to make it kind of high so you have room for your body. So I'm going to make an oval at the top. Is that blurry? There we go. Okay, now we're going to make our neck. We're going to make a little teeny square here. Watch. A little square box for the neck. Everybody make a little square right below your circle for your neck. And now for your body, you get to decide. So watch. You could make your body with a rectangle. Some people like to do a rectangle. Or you could make your body with an bigger oval. So your body's bigger than your head. So if you do an oval, make sure it's bigger than your head, okay? I'm going to do a rectangle. I think I like the rectangle. There we go. Okay? Now we're going to do our arms. And your arms are really long, skinny rectangles, okay? So watch. I'm going to start at my shoulder. And I'm going to make a really long, skinny rectangle. Do you see my rectangle right there? Yeah. And then I'm going to erase this line there that kind of... Okay, now I'm going to do it over here. Long, skinny rectangle. Everybody do that. And then you can erase the lines right there. Okay? Now guess what? Our legs are long. Our legs are long, skinny rectangles too. Watch. Long. Actually, I got to make this a little bit shorter because my legs are longer than.
Hard for them to see with the glare.
Oh, okay. How about here? Is this better?
Yep.
Okay. So my legs are long, skinny rectangles. There's one, two. Two long, skinny rectangles, right? And then for your hands, I want you to just draw a circle where your hand is. So I'm just going to make a circle here and a circle here. So I've got a circle for my hand. And then your fingers are actually little ovals. So look at this. This is an oval. This is an oval. So watch. Thumb. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 little ovals. So you're going to make it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 little ovals. And then on the other side, do your thumb. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals. Okay? Now we have now we have our feet. I'm just going to put an oval here for my shoe. Could you put a rectangle there too if you wanted? Yep. All right, so we've got our head, our neck, our body, our legs, our arms, our hands, and our feet. The next thing we're going to add is our ears. So when I make ears, I just make like the letter C on this side and a backwards letter C on this side. Just a little one, a little letter C on either side. Yeah. Then for your eyes, now this is, my marker's kind of big, but I'm going to make a little oval here and an oval here. You could do a circle or an oval, whatever you think looks best. I'm going to try to do an oval, which is just kind of a squashed down circle, right? And then put a dot in the middle, because everybody has that little pupil in the middle of your eyes. If you look in the person's eyes next to you, there's a black dot in there. Do you see it? Okay. And then your nose. Now, I usually just do a little undercurve here, just a little undercurve to show this is where the bottom of my nose is, and then a big undercurve for my happy smile. And then everybody has eyebrows. Feel right above your eyes. Do you feel that little bit of hair right there? That's a curved line that goes right above your eyes, so everybody give yourself eyebrows. Now, here's where everybody's different. Look around at all the different hairstyles that we have.
Look at mine.
Wow. So we're not going to draw a crown. I want you to draw your hair. And most of the time, Mrs. Walker wears her hair down like this. So I'm going to draw my hair down. You can draw your hair however you wear it. I'm going to draw mine long and down because that's actually how I wear my hair most of the time. So you draw your hair however your hair looks most of the time. And if you, like Mrs. Walker, if you wear glasses, guess what? You're going to have to draw glasses. So I'm just going to make kind of a bigger oval around my eyes and connect it. And then I'm going to put a little hook around my ears because that's where my glasses go. Okay? Now, that was our first practice. Who feels pretty good about their first practice? Good. Guess what? We're going to do it again. Everybody erase. This was a practice, so I'm getting my eraser and I'm going to erase my picture.
So when you actually go to draw it,
Yep.
you'll know exactly what to do.
All right, you ready? Who can tell me what the first shape is that we're going to draw?
A circle.
Who remembers? Zuri. A circle, or could I do an oval too? Yes, so I'm going to do a circle or an oval right up here, kind of close to the top because I want to leave room for my body and my legs. Okay, now what's the next shape? It's a really little one. What is it, Owen?
A square. Rectangle.
Well, a little teeny square. Square. So everybody make a little square right underneath your neck for your neck. Okay, now what's the next shape? Because we get to choose between what? There was two shapes we could choose from.
A circle.
An oval or a big rectangle. I'm going to do an oval this time. I'm going to do a big oval. Okay. What's the next shape for our arms? What shape did we use? Henry?
Skinny what?
A long, skinny rectangle. Here we go. Long, skinny rectangle. Now, am I going to erase this line right here where it kind of overlaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am, because that doesn't look that good to me. I'm going to erase that. All right, now I'm going to put another one over here. Long, skinny rectangle. And then I get to erase the corner of that because that doesn't really need to be there. All right, what's next?
Legs.
Legs, that's right. What kind of shape are we going to use for our legs? Is it Arius?
Yeah.
What shape, Arius?
Triangle.
No triangle on this one.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, that's right. So I'm going to do a long, skinny rectangle for this leg and a long, skinny rectangle for this leg. Should I erase those corners? Do I need those? No, I'm going to erase those corners. I don't need those. All right, now what about my hands? What shape do we start with? Owen? A little circle for the palm of my hand. So I'm going to do that on both of these, a little circle. And then what shape are we going to use for our fingers? Because we've got quite a few fingers. We've got to do really skinny little, what, Henry? Little ovals. Okay, so I'm going to do a thumb oval. That's a ooh, my marker's not working very good. There's one. Oops. Oval, oval, oval. Do you have to try to make these really small? Yeah, you have to make them really small because they're the very small ovals. So little teeny ovals, little teeny ovals. Okay, now what's next? Well, before we do our eyes, what's missing at the bottom of our bodies? What do we stand on? We need some feet. So what shape? Oval. Oval. Okay. Now we're ready for our eyes, right? Who's ready for eyes? Good. What shape is our eyes, Kylie? An oval. So everybody draw your eyes in there. Two ovals. And what's in the middle of our eye? The pupils, which is the little black dot in the middle of our eye. Okay, now what's next? Our nose. I'm just going to do a little undercurve line for my nose, just kind of like almost like a letter U, isn't it? And then I'm going to make a really big letter U for my mouth. I want to be a happy smile here. Okay, what letter are we going to use for our ears? The letter C. And then do we have to do a backwards C on the other side? Yep, we got to do a backwards C. All right, now this is where everybody gets, oh wait, we forgot our eyebrows. Don't forget your eyebrows. Curve. Curve. Okay. Right now, I don't look like I have any clothes on. I'm going to give myself a beautiful dress, I think, later. But right now, I'm ready to add my hair. So you're going to add your hair. Try to think about how does my hair look when I look in the mirror in the mornings. What does my hair look like? And then you're going to do your clothes, okay? whatever you're wearing. So if I was wearing a beautiful dress, I'd probably do like almost a triangle shape right here, wouldn't I? Or maybe oh, what's this called, you guys? Is this a trapezoid? Do you guys know that shape?
No.
Have you learned that in math class?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a trapezoid. Look,
That's
it's
trapezoid.
bigger at the bottom. It's got 4 sides. So I could do a trapezoid. What if I have a favorite shirt that has a picture on it? Could I draw that picture on there? Yeah, I have one that has a beautiful flower on the front. I'm going to put my beautiful flower on my shirt.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
Look, I did the
good.
same thing.
We were thinking along the same lines. And then guys, once you're done, this is actually all we're going to do for today because I wanted you to practice next time when you come. Look at me.